Hello sports fans. So, HOG chapter riding down to Reading. We are at memory services at the moment. We've just stopped here to pick two others up, I think, by the looks of it. And then we're going to head on down to Reading for the night. And then from Reading tomorrow, we're going to ride up to Stanton Harcourt. Church service in the village. And then another service out by the where the bombing aircraft used to be. They've got a housing estate there now, but they've got a memorial, so we go there as well. The local village put on a nice little spread for us, tea and cakes, and then a nice little jaunt home. It is bloody cold today, I will tell you that now, tubers. I've got thermals, t-shirt, jumper, jacket, and cut over the top. I got my waterproofs on just in case, because you know what we're like. 9 of us at the minute. A few more from Thames Valley tomorrow. We've got Three Rivers here. We've got Welsh Dragons. We've got Black Mountains. Three Rivers. And I don't know who the other two I picked up yet. So, but yeah, a bit of a boring ride on the motorway. But you got to get to where you got to get to, haven't you? So I've got some footage of us crossing the bridge, which I'll chuck up. But I'll let you know where we are and what we're doing when we get to Reading. Does anybody know where we're going? Oh, fucking hell. Hokey cokey, we've made it. Premier Inn in Reading, Windrush. We've got bikes scattered all over the car park. Oh, that was a bit spinny, wasn't it? All over the car park. So there's quite a few of us here. We're going to have some grub, have a few soft drinks, because we've got an early start in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning we're heading out, so I will catch you there.